welcome to the world of colors. It's Sunday and I decided to add a little extra video on here today. We're going to do Toppy. Over here he is. He's a little snowman gnome. He's a snowman sock gnome. And he's great for beginners. He's really easy to make. And we're going to make him today. So if you stay tuned with me, I'll tell you all about the things that we're going to use to make him. So I've got this ribbon from Sam's Club. It's the little gnome ribbon. I grabbed it up as soon as I saw it, and it said Gnome for the Holidays on it. So that is something that we're going to use a little bit of in this video for this Toppy gnome. And then I found these little hats at Walmart. And one of the reasons I wanted to get this video on today was because get over there and get your hats because they'll be sold out really fast. They've got the little hole to go over the stub and everything. $1.98, if you can believe it. So we're going to use this hat today. We're going to use this little birdhouse. And this little birdhouse was $5.99, but I got it for half price, so it was $3 at Joann's. And then we're going to use some 3-ply jute. I used a couple of these little $1.98 gifts down around the bottom of him to kind of pull in the colors of the hat. And then we're going to use a 2x3 piece of Mongolian fur for his beard, or whatever kind of fur you have. It's 2x3. And we're going to use some of this white raffia paper that I get on Amazon. A lot of colors come in one package, and I'm going to use the white. And we're going to use these really cute little boots that I got last year from the ornament section at Joann's. And I bought quite a few pairs of them. I think I got them at the end of the season. So really cute boots. So check out Joann's ornament section for something like this. And then we're going to use some rubber bands, some little black pom-poms, and some flat marbles. Oh yes, and we have to have this for the body, the lady's white sock from Dollar Tree, just the ankle sock. And that's all we're going to be using. So I'll be right back with you and we'll get started. First thing you want to do is take out your socks and put some marbles in the bottom. Flat marbles. I get the flat marbles on Amazon. I usually buy 10 pounds at a time. Like that. And then you want to fill it up with polyester fiber fill. I'm going to fill mine up and I'll be right back with you. Got it filled up. I fastened it with a rubber band and I tied it with some twine, some jute. I measured this with my other one and this one as well. It measures 7 inches to the rubber band. So I'll keep us on the same page there, 7 inches. So the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and glue on the nose. The nose is a 1 1/4 inch wood ball that I painted in Coral Cove. It's a paint that Rust-Oleum makes, Tester's Craft Paints, Coral Cove. Something along those lines. And then just, you want to put this a little bit outside the rubber band here. Leave about a 1/2 inch in between the rubber band and the nose. And I'll let that set up. Next you want to take a rubber band and put it around the middle. Like that. I'm making a little snowman. Put it around the middle. I've got the seam going across, straight across the bottom like that. And then take your white paper raffia and cover up the rubber band with it. Or white ribbon, or just some twine would be fine. whatever you have. So now I'm gonna put a little piece of glue there. Now for the arms, I'm just going to take some of the 3-ply jute that I thought was the closest thing I had that looked like a stick. And I'm going to take it and put it around like this. And cut it. And then cut a couple of 1-inch or so pieces. Those are a little longer than 1 inch. And I just glued them on like that. I glued it on the back here. And then we'll glue this one on. So it looks like branches. The idea. Once I got it like that, I just put a small little bit of glue on there and put it on the sides. Then I'm going to take the 3 pom-poms. I just got into my pom-pom box and got these out. The easiest way to do the pom-poms, after I get this glue off my hands, is to put the glue on the little snowman where you want the pom-pom. Instead of don't put the glue on the pom-pom and then try to, it doesn't work very well that way. Now I realize that at least one of these, see, I was almost doing it wrong. At least one of these pom-poms is going to be covered up with his beard. But and the next thing we'll do is put the hat on. This cute little hat, I can't believe it. $1.98. And you just tuck it onto there like that. And glue it right on the top of the nose. And then I'm going to glue it right here in the back, and I'll be right back with you. We're going to take our 2x3 piece of fur and we're going to cut it slightly to go up around the nose. This is a little shorter than I put on the original one because I wanted to show more of the buttons. So we're going to take that up like that. And this is even long as an inch shorter. I'm gonna put it like that, and I'm gonna glue it on. One side and then the other. Got the beard on. The next thing we want to do is put the boots on. So we'll cut off the little ribbon that you would put them on the tree with, and you have these cute little boots. Looks like I'm going to need some more glue. Go ahead and get some in the middle there, and then you'll see the styrofoam that I'm gluing onto. Okay, that should do it. Kind of stretch out the bottom and lay it right on there like that. And we'll let that set up. All finished now. This is Toppy, our snowman gnome. And if you like this video, make sure to like it. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe.